Bam, 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 bam. The National Weather Service in Parrish County has issued a tornado warning for the following cities: Dudley, Perry, and Faymore. If you live in those following cities, you must seek shelter now. I repeat, seek shelter now. The National Weather Service has indicated a tornado that is supposed to be a wedge tornado with wind speeds up to 300 miles an hour. You must take cover underground immediately. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Attention all residents. This is a tornado emergency. A wedge tornado has been spotted moving through Parrish County. All residents of Parrish County must seek shelter immediately. If you refuse to heed this warning, you will die. I repeat, if you refuse to heed this warning, you will die. This tornado has wind speeds up to 300 miles an hour, and at sometimes 350 miles an hour have been recorded in the tornado's funnel. This is a wedge tornado. It is exactly 2.6 miles wide. Bam, 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 bam. Attention all residents. This message is being broadcast at the request of the Parrish County Sheriff's Department. A few moments ago, a Creepypasta figure has been seen brutally murdering the residents of Parrish County who survived the tornado. The tornado has passed, however, the danger has not yet lifted. Many residents have been calling the Sheriff's Department, reporting a suicide Mickey figure. Do not let your children watch Disney Junior. I repeat, do not let your children watch Disney Junior. Bam, 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 bam. Attention all residents. This is an administrative message issued by the Parrish County Sheriff's Department. Moments ago, the Parrish County Sheriff's Department has killed the suicide Mickey figure via gunshots. All residents are now safe to come out of their houses and watch Disney Junior again. The Parrish County Sheriff's Department would like to thank you for your cooperation. Bam, bam, bam.